All right, 2014 BMW 328i valve cover gasket. All right, we're gonna do this. We move this guy. You see this? We got three on the other side. We're gonna turn it so we can pop it. 10 millimeter right here. Next, we're gonna remove this plastic. This hose by itself. Through. Press this, guys. It's rubber, so you're not gonna break it. Both. Okay, we're gonna remove this. And those with this EAT. Hit the things with the same E18 over here too. Come off. Let you come through. Yes. This one, this one, this one. On the other side, the same. Don't forget this one. 10 millimeter. There's a clip here. Okay. Disconnect the coils. Squeeze it pretty bad. All right. This is 1904. This two. It's going to be E10. Disconnect all these cables. You know, screw here, screw here, screw here on the side, screw here on the side. All this plate, pop this, so we can remove all this thing. Right? This rail, you're gonna remove like that, isolate it. Everything's Gucci. You're gonna have to like push it a little bit, pretty much. Guys, turn like that and pull it out. Okay. All of them. By the way, this is diesel, okay? 328D, not I. This is D, okay? This one you can push it. It's gonna be hard, but you can push it. All right. Everything good. You don't need to remove much. That's what it is. All right. 2014 BMW 328D diesel. All right. Diesel. Pretty much. So yeah, once you remove you lose all this in the back too. Okay. Yes, three. All right. Pretty much. Clean it, put it back. Let's get it. So you know the deal. Uh, put the gasket. Okay. Clean the heat holes. If you wipe it just with a rag, it's fine. Or you can use this. I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna put it back. All right. Top, the valve cover is gonna do. the coils. Now the rail. Plug this guy. You know, it's getting the form. It's getting the form. Uh, Now the coils. And you want to put this one first. Okay, right there. I number the coil just in case. It's gonna go under the rail. Okay, put this one first, then connect the coil. This guy's at a fold the rail here. Alright, let me give you a trick to hold this guy down, this line for the fuel rail. I'm gonna use this guy. Okay, because in the beginning you loose it and you push it to the side a little bit. Then when you put everything together, you push it down and guide it with this, like so. Then tighten up. So 19 millimeter. Over here, connect this one first, then this one, then this one. Don't forget to connect this guy, then this guy. And put in the play back. Everything looks Gucci. Okay. Gotta start right away because the fuel rail was empty. So just start the push the start button, you know, and then it's gonna start pressurizing the fuel in the lines. Other than that, let's change this hose that are connected to the radiator. This hose also has a clip here. Just lift it. Same here. Same here. At the bottom, there's another hose. You have to remove this. It has 4 clips, 2 here and 2 here. Remove this connector. There's a screw, flat screwdriver. At the bottom, it has like a press it on both sides. Remove it. It will be better if you spray some WD-40 or PV, and that's it.